Hello everyone and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs Home Tech. Today we have another unboxing and it's this, a USB C Hub. Cost me just under £17 on Amazon and I'll stick a link in the video description in case you want to buy one. Why would you want to buy one of these? Well, if you're like me and you have a lot of devices plugged into your computer or your tablet and that, you're not going to have enough connections. This is made for, or it says on Amazon anyway, it's made for a Mac Pro, but it should work perfectly on your Windows operating system, providing you've got a C connection or Type C connection, or your tablet. Most tablets have a C connection, so they should be able to recognise this and just work. And the thing is that when I looked online, it just said it's for MacBook Pro, and I thought, no, it should work on a Windows as well. So they're not actually advertising it for Windows. But now I've got it and I've took it out of the outer boxing and I've looked on the back. It actually says on the back, others, multi-system compatible, supports mainstream Windows XP Vista. Anyone running any of them anymore? Windows 7, 8 and 10, Mac, OS and Android. That's what it says on the back. So it does say it will run on Windows. But you must have a Type C connection. Luckily, I've got one. So let's get her out of the box and see what you get for your money. Like I said, it costs just under £17. Oh, there's a lead there. So that looks like, oh, so it's a USB extension cable. So it's a male and a female. Looks like it's just USB 2 or 1. Doesn't look like USB 3. Comes with a manual, and I'm not going to read the manual, but I recommend that you should read the manual if you never use one of these, just in case it's something important you might need to find out. So nicely packaged by this company. I'm not sure how to pronounce the name. I think it says MAOZUA. I'm not sure. Someone let me know in the comments if I pronounced it right. So what I think, first fault is, nice bit of cabling, looks like it's well made and solid, doesn't look like it's going to break easily. Yeah, very well made, put together. Like I say, it feels sturdy. Comes with a little cap. So actually Type C connection. So it has 3 USBs on the front and 2 card readers. And on the back side, that is for charging your device. Maybe your tablet or your MacBook Pro if you want to charge it up. Providing that's plugged in, it should charge it up as well. So you could charge it up, run some devices through the USB as well. That should be really cool. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to plug it into my PC and plug a memory card into one of the USB 3s and see how fast it transfers the data over. So shall we get on with it? Right, so have a look at memory stick here. This is, yeah, I know it's small, bit sizes and everything. This is the USB 3 and it is USB 3.0, 128 gigabytes. So I'm just going to pop that into there, providing I put it around the right way. So that will just sit in there. Yeah, I know, it's tiny, isn't it? And we're going to plug it into my Type C connection, and it should just make a noise, which it did. I heard it anyway. Step over to my computer, and there it is down the bottom there. Continue without scanning. Run that over there, and I've got a folder ready, which is here, and I'm going to put this in this window over here so we can see it transfer. And I have a movie folder which I'm going to check the properties on, and it says 3.71 gigabytes. There's 3.71 gigabytes on there, and that's doing about 150 megabits per second. That is fast. You can see how fast it's going across. So it didn't even drop down at all. Maybe 1 or 2 megabits a second. So yeah, very pleased with that. That's very fast. And we'll right click just to prove that is the right size. 3.71 gigabytes. There you go. So I'm going to delete that because I don't really want it on there anyway. I just want to see how fast it actually runs. So yeah, very fast. I'm going to disconnect it from my computer. So always do it like that if you can. That's the best way to disconnect it from a computer. In case your Windows is accessing it at the same time, because then it would corrupt it, or it could corrupt it. So what do I think? For just around about £17 on Amazon, I think it's excellent. Yeah, I'm very pleased with it. I think it looks nice. I do like the all aluminium look. It's not a cold feel to it neither. Nice bit of cabling. It looks really well made as well. So yeah, it definitely gets my thumbs up. And if this video gets your thumbs up, give me the thumbs up. And if it didn't, give me the thumbs down and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.